I'm recording now. All right, so I'm going to share homework that we had last night. Can you guys see it? Give me a thumbs up if you can see it. It's on the screen. It says match your pennies. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to give someone the ability to write on the screen. Okay, so I can go through and let's see if I can make this work, because this is one thing Miss Nelson was playing with last night. So I'm gonna just go from on my screen where the students that I see, and I'm gonna give you the control to draw a line to the answer. So I'm gonna do the first one to show you what I mean, and then I'm gonna have someone take over the next one. Okay, so for homework last night, it said to match the pennies, to draw a line from the box of coins to the amount of cents that it's worth. So the first set of pennies was worth 10 cents. So I'm going to draw a line right there. Okay. Now I'm going to see if I can let's see who's first on my screen. Hannah. Okay, Hannah, you have control of my screen now. So can you draw a line for these pennies right here? Can you draw a line to the number that it matches? So if we count all those pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hannah, can you draw a line? Awesome. Good job, Hannah. Okay, let me see. And I'm going to take away that. All right, and now let's see who's next on my screen. Raquel. This one right here, I'm going to unmute you. Can you match these set of pennies to how much they're worth? Okay. So you might have to click down on the mouse. Does it work if you push down on the mouse? There we go. Wow, nice job. Okay, oh, that was Miss Nelson's fault, sorry. Okay, now. Okay, then I have, it looks like Camila. You wanna try, Camila? Let me just find you on this list. Select iPad 2 or 3. Okay, go ahead, Camila. What's next? You might have to click on the mouse. Or are you on an iPad?
Yeah.
Is it letting, if you hold down, does it let you draw from that one? It's just letting you go over it. Do you want to tell me which one? And I'll draw a line for you.
14.
14. Awesome. Good job. Okay, let's see. Last one is Annabella on my screen. All right, Annabella. We've got one left. Is it working? Annabella. Looks like you have control right now. Try using. Do you have a mouse or are you on an iPad?
iPad.
iPad? Which one should I draw the line to?
To 11.
To 11. Awesome job. Okay. So remember good job guys, when we count pennies, we skip count by, can everyone hold up the finger? 1 or 5. When we count pennies, we skip count by 1 or 5. Which one? 1, right? When we count pennies. Nice job. Okay, let's do the next page. How many cents? So we're counting nickels. So on my screen, it looks like I have Alejandro next to start. We're going to see how many these nickels are worth, okay? And if you guys have an iPad or something and you can't draw, you just tell me which one and I'll fill it in for you, okay? Let's see, let's try and annotate. We're going to do a text. So I think that's Alejandro, right? Rex iPad 116. Okay, Alejandro. I'm going to unmute you. How many are these nickels worth? If we skip count by 5.
$75.
75? Let's count it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 60. What number would it be after 60 if we count by 5?
75.
If we start at 6, if we end at 60, we add 5 more. 61, 62, 63, 64, 60,
5.
65. Let's see. There we go. Alexa, you are next. Okay, are you on a computer or an iPad? Computer? Okay, let's see if you can type in on your computer how much these nickels are worth right here, all of those.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90.
90. Can you type it on your keyboard? Let's see if it will let you. Is it letting you type right here? Okay, how about draw it? Can you try drawing it? Can you draw it right there? I think I gave you control. There we go. Oh, that's a big pen. That's all right. Keep going. We're going to go with it. 90. Awesome. Good job. Okay. Whoa, but stuff is drawing all over the board. Okay. There we go. Let's see, Zoe. I'm going to unmute you.
70.
70. Do you want to write it or do you want Miss Nelson too?
You.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, it looks like Jacob, you're next on my screen. I know you said that you didn't have time to do your homework, but do you want to count it with me? And we can figure out what this is, the answer to this next one? No? Do you want to skip? Did you have a question, Jacob? I thought I saw your hand up earlier.
He's going Shire mode on me.
Okay. No problem. Are you okay, Jacob, if I go on to Giovanni? Okay, awesome. When you're ready, let me know, okay? Okay, Giovanni. What's our answer to our next one?
I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it? No problem. Leah, do you want to do it? No? Alejandro? No? Here, how about I'll do the next one for us, okay? So this one, for these nickels, they are worth 85 cents. This next one. Amaya. you want to do the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, how much are these nickels worth? Do you want to draw or type it?
I'm gonna type it. Let me try to type it.
Okay, you have control of my screen.
It's not working. I can't type it.
Okay,
So I'm gonna draw it.
okay, do it.
Oh,
That's okay. Is that an 8?
I can't.
80, right?
Yeah. Okay.
It's hard to
That's
control.
my 8. It's so hard to control. You have to push it down, like push it.
I know. So what number are you trying to
Okay.
write?
80.
80. Awesome. Nice job.
You
Okay.
highlighters have to work now.
I know. It's kind of finicky. I was hoping this would work, but it's proving to be a little difficult. Mateos, you're next. Alexa, you went right. Mateos, do you want to answer the last one for us?
Yes.
Okay, let me see if I can give you control.
75.
75. Do you want to draw it? Or do you want me to type it?
Sure.
Are you on a computer or a laptop?
Computer.
Okay, let's see if it will work for you.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
All right. Was a good idea in theory, right? All right, 75, is that what you said?
Yes.
Okay, 75. Awesome job. All right, guys, good job on homework last night. So now let's go over quickly what your homework is for tonight, and then we'll go on to our next to science, okay? So homework tonight, is this page right here. Circle the amount with dimes. All right, so you're going to do the same thing that you did last night where you were skip counting by 1s and 5s. Tonight you're going to skip count by 10s, and you're going to figure out how many these groups of dimes are worth. Alexa, do you have a question?
Do we have to print it out?
No, you don't have to print it out. That's a really good question. If you just want to write down on a piece of paper, like this is number 1, you can put like number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then put how much those are worth. That's totally fine. That's a really good question, Alexa. Thanks for asking. All right. Okay, so that's our homework last night. Any concerns or questions with homework? I'm gonna go through, see if I see hands. Amaya.
I kind of got a little bit, I already did that page.
That's okay. So you're set and you're ready for tomorrow. Right? Go over your work again tonight and make sure you did it right. That's one thing you can do is you can count them again. Okay? Awesome. Edgar.
I just have a question. I was saying that in April 16th, it was my birthday.
On April 16th, it's going to be your birthday?
That is not a question.
Okay, so that's good to know because I do want to know these things. So April 16th is your birthday. All right, so that brings me to a good point. If you guys are having a birthday while we're doing virtual school, will you have your mom or your dad or yourself message me on Edmodo and let me know? Because I don't want us to forget to celebrate birthdays, okay? So thanks for letting me know, Edgar. I'm gonna mute you guys again. All right, so let's go on to our next section. Today we have science. So last night you guys watched a video about Goodbye Summer, Hello Autumn. Did you guys have any issues watching that video? Were you able to find it easy enough? Thumbs down? Let me see why a thumbs down. Alexa, what was a thumbs down? Did you find it? Okay, the video? Okay. Edgar, why is your thumbs down? What happened with the video?
No,
You
nothing.
saw it.
I saw it.
Yeah.
I was doing it just because I didn't have any features with the video.
Okay, okay. All right, so what we're gonna do with the homework for that video is on your homework, let me share my screen again to see, so you can see what I'm looking at. You guys are going to answer some questions about that video. So to give you an idea on how to do that, we're gonna go over a couple of them together. Mateus, do you have a question?
When I was watching the video, it keeps glitching and loading.
Did it really? Did anyone else
Stop it.
have that same problem with the video where it didn't play well? Maybe try again today and let me know how, okay? Okay, so this is the questions that we're gonna answer. So tonight your homework is to do this page where you're gonna answer page 6 through, answer questions 6 through 10. Giovanni, do you have your hand raised? Do you have a question?
I was typing something, and now it's not there
Oh,
'Cause
okay.
because you're on a page,
Oh, I'll go back and look at it.
but I wasn't done.
You weren't typing? Or you should still be able to type. Is it not letting you type anymore?
I was, but until you got into this, I wouldn't be able to. Like,
Okay.
I was doing it, and then
Okay.
went under this, got me, but I'm still typing,
Okay.
and I didn't send it yet.
Okay. Let me know when you send it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So today I'm going to go over just a couple of problems that we're going to do number 1 through 5 on this homework. Okay. And then you guys are going to do number 6 through 10 tonight on your own. So do you guys remember the story? You might have to go back and watch it again. When does the story begin? Does it begin in an early summer night, a late summer morning, or an early autumn morning, or on a late summer night? Does anyone remember what it said? Alexa.
Late summer morning.
It was on a late summer morning. So I'm gonna circle that. Okay, how about, does anyone remember in what direction the foxes and blue jays travel? Did they travel north, south, east, or west? Mateos?
South.
They did. They traveled south. Okay, how about, what were the chipmunks and the beavers doing? Does anyone remember what they were doing? Do you know, do you have your hand raised? No? Let's see, it was like, oh, Liam.
They were eating.
Were they traveling north, building cozy nests and dens, traveling south to stay cool, or building, let's see, that's the same answer twice. Were they traveling north or were they building cozy nests?
You remember?
You remember? You can go back and watch it again today, so don't worry.
Okay. I'll try again, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
I'll try again.
Okay. Alejandro, do you know?
No, I didn't watch the video.
Okay, today, go back and watch, okay? And then you can find it. Evan? What were they doing? Were they building nests to stay cold or warm? Warm? That was a trick question. They were building nests to stay warm. Okay, what about this last one? What rumbles far away? What did they hear? Did they hear thunder rumbling, chipmunks rumbling, the flowers rumbling, or butterflies rumbling? Alejandro? What was rumbling in the distance? Do you know what could rumble? Alejandro?
I think I didn't see the story, but the only thing that rumbles is a thunder. I think.
Exactly. You're right. That is the only thing on that list that thunders.
I
have
was
never-
thinking.
You were singing.
because yeah, I didn't see the video, but
No, that's okay. That's very smart thinking because I don't know about you guys, but I've never heard a chipmunk rumble or a flower rumble or a butterfly
Mhm.
rumble. So good guess. Okay, so this last one, it has you write a sentence to answer it. And so remember, when we in first grade, we write in complete sentences, right? So what do people bring out when there's a chill in the air? And I'm just gonna write a sentence to demonstrate what you're gonna do. Oh, Giovanni, do you wanna answer it?
No, I was just gonna tell you that I'm done typing.
Okay, I'll go look at it as soon as we answer this question. Sound good? Perfect. Okay, so what do they bring out when there was a chill in the air? They brought out their thick sweaters and scarves. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for in tonight's homework. Okay, let me clear this and stop annotating. All right, so tonight you guys are gonna work on this page together or on your own, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then we will check these tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen now. Let's see what questions we have. How do I get on the second paper? Do you have, Giovanni, do you have the papers at home or did you see them on where to find them? Hold on, you're muted. Can you unmute yourself? Won't let you. Okay, go try again.
You didn't really answer my question. Cause I said how do I get onto it?
Do you know where to find them? Like, is that what you mean?
I don't know where to find them.
Okay, they're on Enmodo, and I sent an email to your mom. I'll make sure that I attach it to that so she can see it and she can help you find it. Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah, but I'm supposed to be with my mom today, but I think she's gonna pick me up. But usually last time she tried to pick me